MoneyLion versus Chime, which is better for credit building? Here's a deep dive comparison of MoneyLion versus Chime for credit building, focusing on core features, differences, pros and cons, and ideal users. These two platforms have evolved to cater to slightly different credit building needs. So, the overview for this one, for the feature MoneyLion and Chime. So for feature, we have here MoneyLion and Chime, credit building product, credit builder plus loan, Chime, credit builder secured Visa card. For credit check required, yes. This one is no. Monthly cost, $19.99 per month, credit builder plus. And this one, you don't need to pay anything and no monthly fee. All three major. And then type of credit line, installment loan, secured revolving line. Cash access, yes, loan, disbursement, no cash advance, must move funds. Savings incentives, credit builder savings, account earns interest, no interest but automated payments help. Time to impact credit score 2 to 3 months, and for Chime 1 to 2 months. But first, let us know what is this MoneyLion. So, credit building structure for MoneyLion. MoneyLion uses a credit builder loan money model. You pay monthly toward a loan, which builds your payment history while saving money in locked account. This one is useful for building installment credit profile, like car simulation and so on. Helps diversify your credit mix. That is 10% of your FICO score. And for Chime, it uses a secured credit card model. So you deposit money, which becomes your credit limit. Activity is reported like a regular credit card, and it helps with utilization and payment history, and useful for revolving credit impact, which affects credit utilization up to 30% of FICO score. So the key differences, Chime impacts utilization ratio, big credit score factor, while MoneyLion adds to your credit mix and payment history through loans. Now let's move on to cost and transparency for Chime. This one is free to use if you have a Chime spending account and has no interest, no fees. Funds must be moved to the credit builder card manually, but requires budgeting awareness. For MoneyLion, this has to be 19.99 per month for Credit Builder Plus, and it includes credit tracking and banking tools. You do receive some of the loan money upfront, like $50 to $100, but much of it is held until you finish payments. MoneyLion is a paid service with extras, while Chime is free but more limited in scope. So for credit growth or credit score growth potential, Chime's revolving card can build history fast with consistent on-time payments. It improves credit utilization only if you have low limits elsewhere, not help with credit mix. For MoneyLion's installment loan as an installment account good for credit mix. Has predictable monthly payments, which helps budgeters stay connected. Now let's move on to scoring factors affected. So factor, Chime, a money loan, payment history 35%, utilization 30%. This one is check, this one is no. Length of credit 15%. Yes, yes. Credit mix 10%. No, yes. New credit 10%. Yes, yes. Let's move on to ease of use and automation. So for Chime, you need to move funds manually from spending to credit builder card. Can automate payments for 100% utilization clearing, and great for disciplined users. While MoneyLion fully automated loan payments via auto debit, some upfront funds are available immediately. So verdict, Chime requires more user discipline and MoneyLion is more hands-off. Pros and cons. As summary, adds installment loan to your credit file, offers some upfront cash, includes credit monitoring and tools, can build credit mix. For cons, monthly fee, lock savings until loan matures, require soft credit check. Chime pros, free to use, no interest or late fees, no credit check, needs improved utilization, and for Chime cons, no loan credit mix benefit, requires separate Chime spending account, no rewards, cash advance, or traditional credit features. So, as a final verdict, which is better for credit building? So, for situation or user type, if you are new to credit and want free tools, I suggest Chime. If you want to improve utilization ratio, I suggest Chime. If you need a mix of installment plus revolving credit, you can choose both. If you prefer hands-off automated loan, choose MoneyLion. If you're rebuilding credit after a hit, then choose MoneyLion. As a final recommendation, if possible, combine both. Use Chime Credit Builder for utilization and payment history, and MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus for credit mix and loan history. This multi-pronged approach aligns with how credit scores are calculated and can accelerate results. So, best overall choice for most people, Chime for credit builder card. Why? Because of the zero monthly cost, no risk, no commitment. No credit check, safe for beginners and rebuilders. Improves utilization plus payment history, which are 65% of your FIC or FICO score. Fully fee-free and integrates with Chime banking. Easier and faster visible impact for most users from 1 to 2 months. Great for responsible spenders who can manage their own deposits and payments. And best for new to credit repair with no upfront money, people on budget, anyone looking for the highest FICO impact per dollar spent. Now for best premium option for long-term strategy, MoneyLion Credit Builder Plus. Why? Adds installment loan to your credit file. More hands-off, auto-pay structure helps users stick with it. Offers extra features like credit monitoring, small cash advance, and financial tools. Helps build credit over longer time horizons and ideal for this. Now, best for people who want a diverse credit profile, willing to pay this amount right here. Needs to credit mix to raise their score more holistically and comfortable committing for 12 months. So I really hope that this tutorial can give you at least a big help on which app is better for credit building. So I really hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.